Welcome back to Cooking Gluten and Dairy Free with Dave D, where we make delicious food that just so happens to be gluten and dairy free. Today we're making one of my favorite foods, lamb chops. I was trying to think of an intro for this video, but I couldn't because this recipe really just speaks for itself. Follow everything I'm doing here and it's guaranteed to be a hit. It's also pretty easy. I'm not going to do too much intro talk today because you guys really don't care. You're like, shut up man, just get to cooking. But before I get into that, I just want to say, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's get down to business. So starting with our prep, let's grab a rack of lamb. When you bust it out the packaging, it should look like this. So we're going to have to do a little bit of work to get them down into individual chops. So what we're going to do is cut the rack into chops by cutting in the middle of the space between the bones. So grab your sharpest samurai sword, spread the bones apart so the meat is nice and taut, and then cut straight down all the way to the base. You might have to put a little extra effort in towards the bottom, but the goal is to cut between the bones, all the way from the top, all the way down to the bottom, like you see me doing here. Keep doing this until all the rack is cut into individual chops. You don't have to be perfect here, but do the best you can so the chops are around the same thickness, as this will help with the cooking process later on. When you're all done, the chops should look a little something like this. Now throw the lamb chops on 2 layers of paper towel. And then come in with some additional paper towel to remove as much of the moisture off of the surface as you can. When you're all done, throw the chops in a large bowl for seasoning. Add some avocado oil. And then rub it into the chops so they're nice and coated. Next, we're going to season with some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, Cajun seasoning, dried parsley, and some smoked paprika. Mix all those seasonings in like you see me doing here. Now that we have a minute, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. This will help you get access to new videos when I add them. Also click the thumbs up, as this helps with the health of the channel. Speaking of the channel, we now have a big catalog of delicious videos, so check them out so you can diversify your cooking game. If you're interested in any of the stuff that I use in the video, the pots, the pans, the ingredients, check out my Amazon affiliate links below. Finally, the full list of exact ingredients and measurements are down below. When we're all done, the lamb chops should look like this, nice and seasoned. Now cover the bowl with some plastic wrap and then put them in the fridge for ideally 4 to 5 hours, but no less than 30 minutes. The longer we marinate though, the better that flavor will be. Now, after marination, take the chops out while we work on some quick prep for our delicious butter sauce that will take these lamb chops to another level. Grab some fresh parsley and finally chop about 1/4 cup worth. Just go over a few times with a sharp knife in different directions until they're finely chopped. Next, grab some fresh rosemary. Remove the sprigs or the leaves or whatever the heck they're called, leaving the stem behind. Finally chop about 1 tablespoon worth, like you see me doing here. Now grab some butter. I'm using dairy-free butter because you see the name of the channel, but use whatever butter you want. Add it to a large microwavable bowl and then throw it in the microwave for about 15 seconds until it partially melts. It should look like this, not too melted. Now season it with some onion powder and garlic powder. Next, add some garlic paste or fresh garlic. Next, add a little zest of a lemon for a pop of citrus. Now, let's add our rosemary and parsley from earlier. Mix it all together. This delicious butter paste is going to take our lamb chops to another level. When you're done, it should look like this. Now, heat a cast iron skillet, link below, on medium-high until it's smoking hot. Add some avocado oil. Next, add the lamb chops. When they're all added, make sure you push them into the pan so they get a nice sear. Sear them on each side for 1 to 2 minutes or until they get some nice color. Flip them and then push them into the pan again and let them sear for 1 to 2 minutes. When they're done, flip them on the flat side, leaning against each other, so we sear that side as well, and do that for about 1 minute. Now remove them and place them on a grated baking sheet. Now quickly brush on that butter sauce that we whipped up earlier onto each piece. Don't forget to hit those bones. Flip it and do the same thing on the other side. When we're all done, they should look a little something like this. Please don't bite through the screen. We aren't done yet. We want to pop them in a 400-degree oven until they reach your desired doneness. I'll leave a temperature doneness chart for lamb below, but this should take 3 to 10 minutes depending on what you're looking for. Let them rest for about 10 minutes before biting into it. And there you have it, folks. Delicious, easy lamb chops. Trust me, follow everything I did here and you will not be disappointed. Please remember to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, check out the description for links to all kinds of goodies and tools that we use in this videos and other videos. And also for the exact measurements. Feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.